1994 Ford F-250 XLT regular cab long box two-wheel drive truck here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Man, where to begin on this one? All right, first off, clean Carfax, two-owner car, spent the majority of its life in California, then went to Arizona, and it has been restored. It actually has a little over 143,000 on it, and you would never guess by looking at this thing. It's immaculate. We're going to take a little walk around it, show you some things that go with it, tell you a little story about it. First of all, underneath the hood, 5.8 liter V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at this front bumper. Grill, chrome on it, incredible shape, as well as the headlights not fogged over. Paint code is YY, so this is the original color of this truck. Paint also shows very well on it. All right, so the still pictures, let me tell you where to go look at those. So you'll be able to see the engine bay, the underside, the interior, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Correct wheels, Michelin radials, those are dated very early in 2021. The restoration work was done 2020. So that coincides with when the restoration was done. We're going to take a look down this passenger side, and you can see absolutely how straight those panels are, free of nicks, dings, and scratches. There's actually a notebook that's going to go with this truck, and it has every service item performed from the time it was new up until current. It's unbelievable. And as you can see, looking up and down this passenger side, I mean, when this restoration work was done, it's almost like they sent it back to the Ford factory and had them redo the truck for them. It shows like new. I'll show you a couple things I found in it, and that is about it, and that's in the tailgate. So newer tool chest or toolbox in the bed. It does have a bed liner, as you can see. The tie downs, the bed sides. Now, over here, there's going to be some things that are going to go with it. There's all the manuals, as you can see, chassis book. So we go down along the items here. There's a Belden tack magnetic timer. There's also the original invoice and window sticker. As you can also see, that's the original grill that was in this truck, and it is just slightly pitted. That's going to go along with it. They replaced it because it was slightly pitted. It does also come with a dash pad. So as far as these manuals, has the Ford manuals for wiring diagrams, powertrain, drivetrain, body and chassis service manual, specification books, electrical and vacuum troubleshooting manual, wiring diagrams, and chassis book. And as you can see, there's also a Rotunda scanner, Superstar 2. For Ford vehicles, all of that will go back in the truck and go along with it. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. There you found the two dings I'm talking about. Right there in the tailgate. Chrome on the rear bumper, like new. If you like these Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here's a prime example. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. I mean, a fully restored 1994 F-250 XLT that is spotless. You don't exactly see that every day. Dual tanks, as you can see over here with the gas doors on the driver's side. And again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down this driver's side. Those panels nice and straight. Wait till we get to the interior and you look underneath the hood. All right, let's take a peek at this interior. So beige interior, paint coat of YY on the exterior. It's not the Oxford white, but the other white. One other thing I noticed is just even look at the buttons, how typically like the arrow up or arrow down would be wore off. The buttons still look like they're new. Door panels. Carpeting on the bottom of the door panels. And speaking of carpeting, it appears this is all new carpeting. Seat. If they recovered that or not, but man, that is very little wear on that seat. Tilt column, of course. All right, now I said a little over 143,000 miles. Start it up, let you hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood too. So there's your exact miles. 143, 663.3. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. All the gauges are working. It was a cold start. It does have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system put in it. Again, AC blows cold. Take a look at the top of this dash. Again, looks like new. Headliner, good shape. Sliding rear glass. Let's take a listen. Sounds like a stock 94 5.8 liter. Good sounding truck, sounds as you'd expect. All right, let me go ahead and pause this real quick. I'm going to take a peek at my notes, see if there's anything I'm missing. I want to pop this hood. We're going to check out that engine bay, and then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. I mean, you did expect the underside of the hood to be clean enough to eat off of, right? There it is. All right, engine bay. This one pretty much speaks for itself, folks. Look at how clean that is. Look at the alternator and the pulley on it. The pulley shines. Of course, battery replaced with a Motorcraft. It's hard to believe unless you can see it with your own two eyes. And we do welcome third-party inspectors. I want to show you something here quick. I'm going to turn this off, get the key out. I wanted to show you this manual, or I shouldn't say manual, excuse me, this notebook. So they kept some of the receipts and what have you, but here it is. This is every item and miles. 38, 38, 44, going back to 4 miles, 58 miles, 526. They have all the lubes, air intake filters, oil filters, fuel filters, part numbers, and again, 62,000, just kind of just flip through it, 83, 82,000. Couple more receipts saved, just about to the end, 140,000. Couple receipts saved, there it is. So literally a notebook with all the service and all the items that were done to this. 1994 F-250 XLT, two-wheel drive, regular cab, long box, beautiful Ford truck. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you've seen the top, you've seen the interior, you've seen the engine bay. Take a look at the still pictures of the underside. I'm not kidding. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Ford F-250 that is in amazing condition, really. This is a regular cab. It's an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Two-wheel drive F-250. Great for towing. Our fuel gauge is reading about a quarter of a tank. The battery's charging over halfway on the gauge. The oil pressure is also over halfway, and the temperature is a third of the way up from cold. Our speedometer and tachometer are working as they should. The truck really feels like a new truck. There's a Pioneer stereo in the dash.
26th in the epic acoustic
It's
signal.
working as it should. Under this dash pad is also a very, very nice dash. Headliner looks amazing. Cruise control works on this truck. Original looking bench seat in amazing condition. We've got a toolbox in the bed as a bonus with a bed liner. Nice road feel. It really does drive like a new truck. Brakes nice and smooth. Sounds like it just rolled out of the factory to me. This truck corners well. It just does everything well. Very nice condition. F-250 from 1994. Take a look at all the pictures over at uniqueclassiccars.com.